Hello! So I just did a video, which you may have already seen, about how to clean cups that are nasty with tea stains. So how to make a cup that looks like this, with just a little bit of baking soda. Okay, so now I'm still here, I'm still cleaning. I'm now onto my tea kettle. So my tea kettle is kind of gross at the moment, and I've let it get this gross so I could show you guys how to fix it. So, and also because, you know, I'm stuck at home cleaning, but so I have this, I don't know if you can see this nasty stain. So I have really hard water in my building. It's really hard. All this is calcium from where I let water sit in my tea kettle for a while. And what you can do to get rid of this, and they call it descaling, which is gross, but whatever. You can descale with just another household cleaner called distilled white vinegar. That's all you need, is just a little white vinegar. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put white vinegar in here, and I'm going to let it sit and break up the calcium that's inside, and then I will show you guys what it looks like. So give me a minute. Okay, so it's been about 5 or 6 minutes, and you can already tell that the vinegar has taken off the gross stuff on the sides, and it's breaking up the stuff that's on the bottom. So we're gonna give it, I'm still swirling it because it feels like something I should do, but we're gonna give it another 5-10 minutes. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so now it's been about 10 minutes. And I'm using this thing I bought to clean out some of my really deep, tall to-go things. And I've been, this is really hard plastic. And I've been scraping it around the bottom. Looks like it's all coming off. I think maybe like 5 more minutes. Okay, so it's been like 12, maybe 15 minutes. Something like that, and it is all gone. Everything's gone. There's one tiny little minuscule spot over here in the corner that I can probably get with the other scrub brush when I go to clean it, because of course now it smells like vinegar. But look, all clean. No more hard water stains. Yay! Go vinegar! Yay! Also, I got that tip from my mom, so yeah, go mom. I should have known she would know how to do it. And also, the moral of the story is don't leave water in your kettle. Hope this helps. Talk to you later. Bye.